7 7 Ahead, in front of 前面 Friends work ahead of me 朋友走在我前面 Money 钱 I have money 我有钱 To invite 请 Friends invite me to have a meal 朋友请我吃饭 To go 去 I go to Beijing 我去北京 Hot Warm 热 Today is hot 今天很热 People, person 人 You are American 你是美国人 To know 认识 Do you know her? 你认识她吗 Day, date 日 Today is January 5th 今天1月5日 3